Good morning to all of you. I am Deepak sir before you. Today I welcome you to this narration 4 class. Earlier, it has been discussed about change of simple sentence, change of tense, change of habit and truth. And now we are going to discuss change of interrogative sentences. Change of interrogative sentences. When we talk about interrogative sentences, we will get here there are two types of sentences. First one, those are started with auxiliary verb, and the second one, those are started with WH family. WH family, that means when, what, how, where and so on. How people understand this sentence is interrogative? So for that it is very simple. The sentence is started with auxiliary verb, and at the last of sentence we will get here question mark, or the sentence is started with WH family, and last of the sentence we will get question mark. So this is the introduction of interrogative sentences. Now rules. First, change said into asked. Change said into asked. Number 2, put if, whether instead of inverted commas. Be careful about that. This rule is applicable to the sentences those are started with auxiliary verb. So sentences are started with auxiliary verb. Now third rule is put no word instead of inverted commas. This rule is applicable for those sentences those are started with WH family. WH family means when, where, why. Sentences are started with WH family. Now fourth and the most important rule, change auxiliary verb after subject. So first we must understand change of interrogative sentence. Auxiliary verb and last sign of interrogation, WH family, and at last sign of interrogation. Change said into asked. Here be careful about that. Object is given or not given, it is not matter. Put if, whether instead of inverted commas. If sentence inside the inverted comma is started with auxiliary verb, put no word instead of inverted commas. If the sentence inside the inverted comma is started with WH family, change auxiliary verb after subject. Now the examples. Ravi said to me, do you buy a car? Here said it will be converted into asked. So Ravi asked me to, we have not to write when we are going to change. So Ravi asked me. It is from auxiliary verb. So just Ravi asked me if whether you, according to me, you are getting here second person you, that means starting you, this one is, and me object, it means you will be converted into I. So if whether I, it is simple present. Be careful about that. Simple present will be converted into simple past. For interrogative sentence, it must be learnt. And simple past must be converted into past perfect. When you are changing interrogative sentence, it must be learnt. Simple present, that means simple past, and simple past, that means past perfect. So here what? It is simple present. You had been converted into, according to me, just I, and simple present, simple past, it means bought a car. V2 is here. So Ravi asked me if whether I bought a car, and after that full stop. Now the second example, Sita said to Ram, did you help me? Did you help me? So again, Sita asked Ram if whether, did is simple past, that means past perfect. So you, according to Ram, it will be he, and simple past, that means past perfect. So he had helped, and me is given here. So what will be me? So you will get here first person according to subject. Subject is Sita. So me is here and Sita is here. So it means her. So Sita asked Ram if whether he had helped her, and then full stop. Now the third example. Radha said to me, are you poor? Radha asked me if whether you, that means me, it is I, and R will be converted into was, if I was poor, and then full stop. I was poor and full stop. Other example we are seeing here. Now the other example, can you break this lock? Ravi said. Can you break this lock? Ravi said. You are getting here, there is no object. First write the sentence systematically, and after that just you will change it. So here Ravi asked. Here you are getting auxiliary verb. So Ravi asked if whether. You is given here, second person according to object, and object is not given here. So you must not be changed. So Ravi asked if whether you, can will be converted into could. So you could break this, that means that lock, full stop. Ravi asked if whether you could break that lock. This is D number. And the other example, Madan said to me, do you know my name? Auxiliary verb. So what will be answer? Madan asked me if whether. It is simple present, it will be simple past. So Madan asked me if whether you according to me, so I will be here, and simple present, simple past, so no new will be here. So Madan asked me if whether I knew my, that means Madan, that means his, and here name will be. So Madan asked me if whether I knew his name. Now the next example. He said to the boys, didn't you make a noise in the class? Noise in the class. Did, it means it will take past perfect. So he asked the boys if whether, he asked the boys if whether you, it means according to boys, so they, second person according to object, this one is first you, and boys, that means they, so it will be converted into they. So he asked the boys if whether they, past perfect, hadn't, make, that means made a noise in the class. So he asked the boys if whether they hadn't made a noise in the class. Now the other example. He said to me, do you know that the shoes you are wearing aren't a pair? He said to me, do you know that the shoes you are wearing aren't a pair? Example here. He answered, asked me if, simple present, simple past. So no new, you, me, I knew that the shoes you, that means I, here I was wearing, aren't, it means for shoes, so it will be weren't a pair. He said to me, do you know that the shoes you are wearing aren't a pair? He asked me if I knew that the shoes you, that means me, I was wearing weren't a pair. Now the other example in this section, last example, after that we will proceed towards WH family. The other example, can you tell me why he gave up his study his study Madan said to me. First, we have to write the sentence systematically, and after that, we have to change it. So, Madan asked me. So, here it will be Madan asked me if and can you, that means you, according to me, I, can, that means could. I could tell me, that means Madan, him. I could tell him why. Here he gave up, simple past, that means past perfect. So why he had given up his study. His is third person, no changing. So why he had given up his study, and then full stop. So Madan asked me if I could tell him why he had given up his study. Now we should proceed towards change of interrogative sentence. Sentences those are started with WH family. In this type, we will get the sentence started with WH family. Example, he said to me, why do you vex me? He asked me why. He asked me why. It is simple present, that means simple past. So you, it will be converted according to me. I is here. So why I, simple past, that means vexed me, that means according to he. So why I vexed him, it is the right answer. He asked me why I vexed him. Now the other example, Madan said to Sita, where are you going? Where are you going? Here you are getting Madan asked Sita where. Second person according to object, that means Sita, that means she. So where she, R will be converted into was. So where she was going, and full stop. Third example, Radha said, when did you come here? When did you come here? When did you come here? Simple past, it will be past perfect. So Radha asked when. You, object is not given, you will not be changed. So you had, and here you are getting, place is going to change. Here it will be converted into there. So come will be converted into go. So what we will write here? When you had gone there. When you had gone there. Now the other example, Ramesh said to his friend, what happens? Here, what is subject? It is simple present. Ramesh asked his friend what happened. Simple present, it will be simple. Past, Ramesh asked his friend what happened. Now, example number E. He asked me, who killed your dog? Who killed your dog? Who killed your dog? Who is the subject here? It is simple past. It will be converted into past perfect. So he asked me who had killed your, according to me. So who had killed my dog, and after that full stop. Next example. She said, how many girls are dancing tonight? Dancing tonight. Here, how many girls? This one is a subject. So answer is, she asked how many girls, or it will be converted into were. So how many girls were dancing tonight? That means that night. That night. And example number G. So he said, how much money can you give me for the service I have done to you? He said, how much money can you give me for the service I have done to you? Now the answer is, he asked how much money. Main subject here, you is here. So you, and object is not given here. So we are not going to change you. So he asked how much money you can, that means could, give me, that means he, him, for the service, I have done to you. That means I, that means he, that means he had done to you. I am not going to change this you. So second person according to object, and object is not given here. So he asked how much money you could give him for the service he had done to you. So dear students, these are very important examples in a change of interrogative sentences, and I think these all examples will be very useful for getting this type of concept. In a coming class, again you will get optative sentences and imperative sentences. For writing comment, it must be welcomed. Thank you students.
I think comment.
ठीक है.